Afternoon, folks. Grandpa Griswold, old man with a pan. Well, today we're going to do an unboxing video. I don't believe I've ever done an unboxing video, but I'm pretty excited about what's inside here. So I took the liberty. I had to bust through this box. I busted out of the box already, and saw stuff with some paper there. But look at this baby. Need to give a shout out to whoever packed this, and I don't know who it is. Maybe there's a packing list inside. But look at this, all wrapped up in this bubble. Got a little thank you tag on it. So we're gonna have to see how I'm gonna get this out. It looks like it's wrapped. It's wrapped with saran wrap. So we got bubbles and wrapped in saran wrap. Let's see how we can do this. I guess we'll just keep. Maybe we'll turn it that way. Gonna have to remember the use of this saran wrap like this. Well, let's pull that out. We don't need that. Don't throw it on top of my bread. I got some bread sitting here. We're getting close now. Getting close. I am pumped. I've been thinking about this for several years now, and I was finally able to get to a point where I said, let's just go for it. And we got another thank you sticker in there. So what do you think it's going to be? It doesn't look like a skillet. It's not a skillet. I guarantee it's not a skillet. Can you tell I'm excited? Doom, 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 doom. Any guesses yet? We got another thank you sticker. I don't know if you can see that yet. I don't know if you can see it yet, but I'm gonna try to do this a little quicker. Oh, it's cast iron, all right. Wowzer. It's the cast iron Griswold Santa. Wow, that's nice. Number 898 down in there. Is that 899, 890, 897 and 866? What's it? 868, 867 and 868. Neato. Wowzer. Let me look. One other thing there. We got a tongue. Santa's got a little tongue in there. Alrighty. So I have to bring something else over here to kind of show you why I'm really excited about this. And we'll do another video, but now I have the Griswold cast iron mold trilogy. Wow. Take a look at it.